What's up, YouTube? We're back with another episode. What the hell am I doing? And we're here with another Explorer today. I got a great location. Brandon Abandoned gave me this one. It's this place right behind me here. Some messed up stuff inside. There's a lot of stuff left behind, and apparently the basement's pretty scary. So let's not stand out here. Let's go inside, check this place out. Okay, so this is the backyard, well, the back deck, and already, wow, this place is quite a mess. This deck, as you can see, right there, it's a good foot down from where it should be. And they got a ramp going up to it. And, yeah, the backyard's pretty overgrown. Let's go inside the house and see what's going on. I think Brandon's in the kitchen here. So, let's go say hello. Okay, so we are inside the kitchen area and slash dining room, I guess. And we'll just look at this. There's stuff. Well, there's my camera bag, but I mean, there's stuff everywhere. We got a sharp radio. We got kitchen stuff. We got plates and china. It's a really hot, humid day in here, so it kind of sucks, but we're having fun here. There's some dog stuff. Obviously, they had pets. Pills. Yeah. What a mess. Oh, Mission Impossible, Tom Cruise. I'm sure people would love that. Yeah, got lots of stuff left in the cupboards here. Looks like someone's been rummaging through this place since the last video I've seen. Look at that outside. Yeah, we got pills and whatnot, or some stuff. Leftover food items. Look at this mess. Wow. Stuff left in the cupboards. Okay, we'll go this way. Oh yes, that is quite the shag rug on the floor. And we got Iowa stereo here. I believe I remember seeing one of those back in the day too. Jackass number 2. Look at that decay. And the mold that's beginning everywhere. And as you can see, at one point they were trying to at least start to fix this place up before I guess they finally gave up. Yeah, they even taped the windows off. But look at that mold behind there. Ooh. Nice view out the front window. It's a little overgrown. And this is an interesting assortment of things all over the floor. Somebody's tie. A turd in the rug. Always a good place for those. And yeah, it's just all sorts of stuff everywhere here. A very dusty family photo, or generic photo in the frame. Here's the front door. Look at that paint peel. And that mold in the window. Ooh. Oh, that's not cool. That's not good. And the crazy thing is, look at this. If you open the front door here, look how overgrown this place is. Yep, the front lawn's out there somewhere. They've got a mirror there. Interesting. I guess people coming. Wow. Okay, and over here, look at this bedroom. Oh, you got somebody's trophies. So this room was taped off too. They were painting this room. Someone was trying to do a half decent job. And as you look around, this room actually doesn't look all that bad, although you can see moisture on the walls. So you know what's going to follow. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. A lot of stuff. You know, we got candles, bathroom stuff. And just boxes of stuff. I think I saw an address in there. Hopefully it's not on the video. And then we got trophies. And food. Ooh, look at that salsa. Oh boy. Oh boy. And these trophies, I mean, some of them might be worth something to somebody. Or maybe they just didn't give a damn. Well, that's a cool beer mug. Beer stein. Looks like that's all beer steins in there. Some photos. We got the bathroom here. Nothing too crazy. Someone tried to chew the toilet paper and there's still some old... Hey, look at that. That's Old Spice there. And there's still a good amount in there. That stuff should be saved. So this place, I think this place was built in the 70s. I'm not really sure of all the details. But I know from my Google Maps research that it looks like it got abandoned, or went abandoned sometimes between 2012 and 2014. So we're looking at least, there's turds in the corner, probably raccoons. Look at that taped off window. No mold in that one. Yeah, so we're looking at a place here that's at least about 8 to 10 years abandoned. I mean, it's not in absolute brutal condition inside yet, but you're starting to see mold, which is obviously a much bigger problem if you're just starting to see it. So much left behind though, look at this. Dry cleaning. Somebody's dress shirts. Yeah, it's all left behind. Somebody's ties in the closet. Crazy. Big floor vent. That shows this place a little bit older, like the 70s. Turds again. This room is a bit of a disaster. Look at that overgrown window. Wow. But the paint peel in here is insane. Look how thick that is just coming off the wall. See that? That's latex paint, just the way it's coming off like a rubber sheet. And again, this place is taped off. Somebody definitely tried to do the due diligence in doing a good job in here, that's for sure. And ooh, look at the color of those white underwear. They're a little more yellow than white. What we got over here? Some photos. Yeah, some mattresses. Obviously nobody's squatting in here if everything's just kind of left like this. It's not exactly squattable right now. Of course, it wouldn't take long to tidy up. Okay, so let's continue. We'll go over here. See what's going on in here. You got a knife on the floor. Some more turds in the corner. The raccoons just love taking dumps in the corner, I tell you. And again, some of that insane latex paint peel, which is just, wow. Interesting curtains too. Almost satin looking, even though they're not. Once again, just heavily overgrown. Wait a minute, we just came in here. I'm an idiot. Okay, let's go back this way. Look at this closet full of toiletries and whatnot. Brandon was just pointing it to me. And someone brought this mirror here, like a squatter did. He just left it here so they could use it. That makes sense. The squatters are quite crafty, I gotta say.
That, as well as all the Axe products and hygiene products all
so
over
they smell
house.
good, man.
For their job interviews.
That's right. For those job
here.
interviews. We'll check out the garage. Ooh, this is the laundry room. And this is the other front door. And as you can see, power is disconnected. Someone left their skateboard behind though. Interesting. So, well, that's an interesting crate. And an interesting lamp. Huh. That's very cool. I wonder what that's from. Some old blinds. Again, the walls are getting spotted. Not the worst place, but it's definitely getting bad. Okay, so before we get out of here, I got one question for the viewers. Can someone please tell me why the toilet's sitting at the top of the stairs? Well, over here, we got a perfectly good bathroom with a hole in the floor where you can put said toilet. That's the basement. What the hell? Yeah, I got some bills on the floor here to say 2011. So that probably supports my theory. Look at all this stuff in here. Car seat. Salad dressing. Just recycling waste. Let me turn up the ISO a bit. Yep, more car seat stuff. Another skateboard. It's a big garage door. It's a real big garage door. But yeah, nothing too crazy in the garage here. Let's go downstairs and check out the basement. I think that's pretty much going to be it. Hopefully we don't run into Brandon down there. I don't know where he went. All right. It's nice and cool down here. I don't want to step on anything. All right, so we're in the basement, and turn up the ISO a little bit so you guys can see better. You know what, we'll do a scan first with it higher, and then I'll do a better image quality as I go closer. This is the basement. Nothing too fancy. There's a curtain along the bottom of the stairs. I don't know why. I guess for privacy when you're murdering people down here. Let's turn the ISO down and take a closer look. Looks like somebody left a tripod. Tell me if you guys think that's a good one in the comments. A water heater that looks a lot like mine. We got sandals. I don't know if you guys can see that cobweb, but that's nasty. Wow. Old bottles and junk. There's the other slipper or sandal. They even got a tennis racket. And a moldy ass lampshade. Now I would say there was some kind of a water issue, because if you look around all these walls, they've got aspenite walls, but they definitely have staining and mold. And I'm noticing that everywhere I look. That's the furnace. November 06 was the last time it was inspected. The couch. That was interesting, whatever the hell that was. It was probably Brandon. There's a reason why they call me the champ. Nothing scares me. Yeah, look at this floor. Definite signs that weight is buried in dirt. We've definitely got dirt coming down here from water. Even the furnace is rusting. Even the furnace. That's nuts. Then we got some Dremel pieces, it looks like. Router bits. There's another tennis racket over there. And there. Some moldy books. Look at those. Wow. Looks like some wigs. Maybe I should wear that up and say hello. Vacuum cleaner. Hey, this is, I know what that is, yep. I just used that on my sink. Okay. Ooh, look at that chandelier. Interesting. Just sitting there rotting away. Those are some serious cobwebs in the window here. Look at that. Wow. It's a weird choice to use aspenite to close off the basement. That stuff doesn't do well with moisture or wetness. As you can see, when you look down there, it's just, it's done. It's done. Imagine having that behind your drywall. And they got a picture frame showing aspenite. God bless aspenite. And you got some inch pipe and carpet. I can only imagine what those stains are. What do you think those stains are? And we got more clothes. Clothes with mold. Wow. What do you guys think happened here? There certainly is a ton of stuff left behind. And probably an interesting story to it. At least I think. There's got to be. This house looked like they were trying to fix it up before abandoning it for some reason. Now maybe it's the moisture problems that we're seeing down here. Or maybe something else happened. We still have plates over here. They have a Bloomfield coffee machine, which I guess is like a Bonomatic. And they got that thing. Electro Home DVD player for karaoke. This stuff definitely predates to the early 2000s, I would say. Yeah. Quite a house. Quite a place. It's always interesting when you find a place like this where everything is left behind. I really can't understand why they roughed in the basement like this with aspenite. It's really bizarre. And everything is moldy. Look at that. What a place. Well, I think that's going to do it up for today's Explore. What a place this was that Brandon recommended to me. Man, a lot of stuff was left behind here. And I think something weird happened in the basement there. I don't know if you guys heard, but some glass broke when I was nowhere near glass. Tell me in the comments what you think that might have been. Yeah, pretty strange. Well, that's going to do it for today. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Check out the last video here. Check out this video up here. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.